Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a very cool game. So let's go get sprites, and as we go along I'll tell you the game. So we're going to have a timer for this. We're going to set a variable for this. It's going to be the timer. Then we're going to have any person you want. I'm going to choose this guy over here. Any person you want, really. I'm going to choose this guy. And then he is gonna have to choose out of all these 4 buttons, whatever button you want. Doesn't matter, but first let's go to customize. And yeah, let's do that. You could choose any color from here, and then just click this, and then click this, and then it'll turn into that. You want to duplicate it again, and then you want to change that to anyone. I'll just choose red. You want to duplicate that. You want to have 4, so you want to duplicate that. You want all of them to be in different colors, so this one, and then you want to duplicate this one, and let's see, any color here. That should be all. Maybe 4 colors. Put them around it, wherever you want really, but I'll put them around there. And then now we should have, now start with Earth. Let's go to when I receive message 1. Stop. Other scripts. Here, other script. And let's create 2 variables. Let's create seconds. But we don't want the seconds to show, so we're gonna hide that. And then let's create time. And then those 2 can be a variable. Let's get this time variable to a large readout, and then this is gonna be it basically. So that's also where you could change it to a slider, so you could go into those or normal. But I'll choose here, the large one. Now let's go to when message 1 is received. Stop others. Set my time to 0. We're gonna leave it to 0. Now when we're gonna duplicate this. Let's get this out. Now when I receive, let's make a new message. On PS, I just made a random one for some reason. When I receive this message, stop all other scripts again. Now let's go when. Now I can make a timer. This is giving me a timer for the variable. Now we're just gonna have to make it work. So when the green flag is clicked, we're gonna reset the timer here to, let's go down here, get 2 of these, put them to seconds, and time. Seconds is gonna be 10, and we're supposed to have a repeat until here. Repeat until. We can do this one over here, operators. We can go to operators. To this one, let's go back. Let's get a variable. Let's put a variable here. Let's go to sensing and get our timer. Put a timer here, and that should be done. That should be it for this block. And then we're gonna get. This is typically this. And then we're gonna get set to the top. Easy to look at. And then we're gonna get set to seconds. And again, timer by sensing. Now let's go to operators again. Get minus. It's hard to do it, so rather just do it out. And then put the whole thing in by 1. Now Now we should go to the events and wait until 1 second. We're gonna go to operators and we're gonna get this one here, put it in there, and then we're gonna go to here, the time here, put this to 3, and then let's go now to button number 2. So now we're gonna do when I receive a message. When I receive message 1, hide. We're gonna go to looks. We're gonna hide it. But when the green flag is clicked, we're gonna show it. So we're gonna go to looks, and then we're gonna show it. So there should be it. And then when this part is clicked, you're supposed to broadcast the message to message 1. Now, when we do this, it won't show. Now let's go to, when we click the green flag over here, we have the timer and it shows back. Stop it and go. Now we're gonna go to the same one, and we're gonna do the same thing. Same for button 3. We can put the same thing in for all the other buttons. We can do the same thing. Let's put them in. I want to see them shaking. If they're not shaking, they won't go in. See, they're shaking. Okay, that should be it for here. And then you don't want to put it in here. Here, you want to do when the sprite is clicked. You can do broadcast. This one. And then we're gonna do when I receive message 1, hide. We can go back here. Then we can do hide. But when I receive sing, show, and hide, we can leave these here. And then here we can do show. When the green flag is clicked, show. And when I receive not message 1 here, go. So now we should be able here, see, it stops, but we wanted to show something at the end. So let's go to here, and we're going to get snowflake, put it to 75. You can put whatever you want. I can put 75, but you could get anything you want. And when it receives the message 1, show. We'll show here. But hide when the green flag is clicked. So now it's supposed to be like this, but see, you clicked the wrong one. The earth is frozen. But if you click this one, it's still frozen. This one, frozen, so it has to be this one. It's not randomized, but thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.